Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall AWS CLI and clean environment variables. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall AWS CLI from your system, first, open your command prompt or terminal. If you are using Windows, type AWS version to confirm that AWS CLI is installed. On macOS or Linux, use the same command to check the installation. Next, if you are on Windows, navigate to Control Panel. Select Programs and Features. Find AWS CLI in the list, right-click it, and choose Uninstall. For macOS, if you installed AWS CLI using Homebrew, simply type brew uninstall OSCLI in your terminal. If you installed it via a bundled installer, locate the installation directory. Usually, it is found in /usr/local/os or similar depending on your version. Remove the AWS CLI directory by using the command sudo rmrf/usr/local/os. For Linux, if you used a package manager like apt, run sudo apt-get remove OSCLI. If you installed AWS CLI using pip, use the command pip uninstall OSCLI. After uninstalling AWS CLI, you need to clean up the environment variables. For Windows, open the Start menu and type Environment Variables. Select Edit the System Environment Variables. In the System Properties window, click on the Environment Variables button. Look for any variables related to AWS, such as AWS_access_key_ID, AWS_secret_access_key, or similar. Select each variable and click Delete. Confirm the removal of the selected variables. For macOS and Linux, open your terminal. You may have set environment variables in your .bash_profile, .bashrc, or .zshrc. Open the relevant file in a text editor using a command like nano/.bash_profile. Look for any lines that export AWS-related variables. Delete those lines to clean up your configuration. Save the changes and exit the editor. Finally, if you modified your shell configuration files, make sure to run the command source /bash_profile, or the equivalent for your shell, to apply the changes. You have now successfully uninstalled AWS CLI and cleaned up the associated environment variables. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.